Hey friends, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to re-whack here. First thing you want to do is have some ear protection. Here's some earplugs I'm going to use. You got to have some gloves to protect your hand. Then you got to have some eye protection, right? Safety glasses. Next you want to make sure all your equipment is charged up, or gas if you're using gas. And then you got to have some strings in it, right? So let's get started. I'm going to show you here real quick, real easy, real simple. So guys, how do you edge here? First thing you want to do is you want to flip it over like this, right? Wherever you feel comfortable. And you want to go clockwise because this motor or this trimmer actually spins clockwise here. Let me show you. See that? So you want to go this way. So you want to travel with it. When you travel with it, you gain distance, and it's less harder on the motor. So here, this is how you trim. So usually you trim this way sideways, but then you flip it. You hold it comfortably wherever you feel comfortably. See? And you just kind of angle like this. And you just gotta trim it, get the feel of it, but you see? And also this trimmer has some speed bump and go here. So you bump it a couple times, the string comes out longer. So some of the Wacker has that, this one does. You want to angle like this, see? And get it clean cut like that. That's all you gotta do. Real easy, real simple. When you trim, you wanna, here's the ground, you want it to make sure it's at the same level, right? So you don't wanna over trim it, you don't wanna angle it too much. You wanna kinda just angle just a little bit, but the same level. Because if you touch the ground too much, you might damage the head. So here I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna trim all this area right here. Again, you want to wear safety glasses. Just got this whole section trimmed. Took me about 10 minutes. Just a quick overview before I close out on the video here. Make sure that when you trim it, your head tilts a little bit so you get this evenness. If you don't tilt it, and you most likely won't get this evenness, also you won't damage your head. And when you do tilt it, you won't scratch the steel panels or wherever you're going up against, because that tilt will penetrate exact location instead of the string might bounce up and down on you, and then you might hit, or even your hand might actually move up and down. You might hit the side of the panel or wherever. And then another thing is, when you edge it, like I mentioned earlier in the video, when you edge it, make sure that you go with the motor. If the motor spins clockwise, you go clockwise, or you go that direction. Go counterclockwise, you're gonna go that same direction, because that's gonna help the motor, and you can gain distance at the same time. If you don't do that, it's gonna go against the motor, it's gonna lessen the life of the motor, and you lose distance equals time, right? So other than that, I want to say thanks for watching, and do leave a comments if you see anything that I did not do correctly, or even if feedback, whatever, I greatly appreciate. Until next time, how to do your own maintenance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.